So this is the truck I ended up buying. Went and looked at it yesterday. It was a good price. There's little to no rust on this. This has rocker panels that are golden. It has a little bit of bed rust right in the quarter panel area, but I think these are prolific for that. It's got dual exhaust, which sounds amazing for a 4.7. Here's some more rust. You can barely see it over here. I'm just gonna sand these down, probably put on fender flares, call it a day. Peel these stickers off the back window. It's got a spray-in bed liner that's been in here for about, I don't know, 5 years, 10 years maybe. It's pretty nice. It's got these step bars on the side that were put in, bully bars. I'd show you the inside, but it's all locked up. I don't have my keys on me. But inside's okay. So wear on the driver's seat, and then we're missing a plastic part on the dashboard. But other than this, the truck's in amazing condition. More to come from this one as we do some upgrades on it. So here we go. It is a 2003 Dodge Ram 1500 Quad Cab SLT. It's got bully bars. All the windows work. Tint. It's got a little rust right here. I'm gonna clean that up. The tires are like brand new on this thing. So I'm gonna clean up this rust, and I'm gonna put fender flares on. So a little dent in the tailgate, couple dents in the tailgate here and here. Full bed liner. Some stickers I gotta scrape off because they're peeling anyway, so might as well get them off there. Tailpipes, it's got dual exhaust. Some of the tailpipes are kind of rusted, so probably gonna replace those. But here's that other problem spot for the rust. And you grind out. The good thing is it's only surface rust on this side, so it's not on all the way to the edge on the inside. So you grind it all down, put a fender flare on all 4 fenders to take care of it, and maybe spruce it up just a little bit. Maybe some rain guards, maybe new gas cap or gas door. But this thing's in really good condition. There's no frame rust at all. The only bad thing about it, there's a few bad things I don't like about it, but I don't like that it doesn't have keyless entry. So I might have to change that. Probably put an alarm on it of some sort. But keyless entry is a big one for me. Grip in the seat, you know, goes without saying for a truck this old. So new cushion would probably have to be ordered, or I might just get new seat covers and just put some foam underneath on that one until I can figure it out. So the dash has this carpet on top of it because some of the dash was broken out when the heater core was replaced. It's got, see if I can unlock this. It's got the fold-up rear back seat. A little dirty. Still needs to be. I might vacuum it out myself or bring it over to a friend's and have them detail it. But it's got the fold-up back seat in the back, which is good if you want to throw anything. I can throw stuff in the back. I can throw my camera gear in the back here, whatever, and I'm good to go. But other than that, the truck's in pretty good condition. Couple dash lights came on when I was driving it back from where I got it from, but I got it for steel, so even if I fix the small things with it, and I could either turn around and just sell it again within the next couple weeks, or I could fix the small little tiny issues with it and drive this truck around for another maybe 100,000 miles. So, all right, more to come from this bad boy. So it does have dual exhaust, and just fired it up for you all so I can give it a good rev so you can hear this exhaust. So, and it just stalled out, so I have to check that out. Yeah, so the piece I'm going to have to replace on the dash is this clip piece that's all the way in the front. Looks like it still has the holes for the clips, which is good. There's nothing missing there. Yeah, so yeah, good thing the clips are still there. I can order the piece. The piece is like $100, or I could probably just get it at a junkyard. Probably find it at a junkyard.